Welcome to our video on room decor bed designs in pink color. Pink is a beautiful and versatile color that can add warmth and charm to any bedroom. Today we will be showing you some amazing bed designs that can transform your bedroom into a cozy and stylish space. First up, we have a classic canopy bed with pink drapes. This bed is perfect for any little princess who loves feelings like royalty. The soft pink curtains add a touch of elegance to the room, while the white frame keeps it from being too overwhelming. Next, we have a beautiful pink tufted headboard. This bed is perfect for a girl who loves a more modern and chic look. The pink headboard adds just the right amount of color to the room, while the clean lines of the bed frame keep it looking sophisticated. Another popular bed design is the pink upholstered bed. This bed adds a touch of luxury and comfort to any bedroom. The soft pink color and plush headboard make it the perfect spot for relaxation and comfort. If you are looking for something unique, why not to try a pink platform bed? This bed is perfect for a modern and minimalist bedroom. The low platform and clean lines of the bed frame make it a perfect fit for any small space. Finally, we have beautiful pink day bed. This bed is perfect for a girl who loves to read or long in her room. The soft pink color and plush cushions make it the perfect spot for relaxation and comfort. No matter what your style is, there's a perfect pink bed design for you. So go ahead and make your dreams come true with a beautiful bed that you will love for years to come. We hope you enjoyed our video on room decor bed designs in pink color. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Sweet dreams in your new pink bed.